In the last 21 days, I've made $7,561.04 from digital products by sending 3 types of boring emails that literally take me 10 minutes to write. Now, most people think the only way to promote their digital product is to post like crazy on social media, but almost everyone is sleeping on the power of emails. Email is actually the most effective marketing channels for making more sales in your business. Don't just take it from me. In fact, McKinsey did an independent study that found email to be 40 times more effective than social media. And so in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 boring types of emails I send to make money selling digital products and how to get people onto your email list so you've actually got people to promote to. Now, quick disclaimer before we start, I always share my own strategies and what's working for me. This video is by no means a guarantee that you will literally make money, okay? Nobody can guarantee that because that's down to you and your actions. But I just know how important it is to share these things that are actually happening in my business so you could learn from real examples. And also because I'm going to be sharing a lot of value in this video, I've actually put some timestamps below so you can skip to the part that you need the most. For example, if you've already got people on your email list, just use the timestamps below to skip straight to the emails. But the first thing that I think is so important is that I teach you how to actually grow your email list, okay? Because if you don't have this, you don't have people to email, which means you aren't making any money in the first place. Because I know what it's like to watch these kind of videos and think, oh God, I would love to do that. I would love to send boring emails and make sales too, but I have no one to email. And that's okay, because a little under 2 years ago, I had nobody to email either. My list was 0. I built my list slowly but surely, but you can do it so much faster now because AI is so much more advanced and it helps you to move quicker, all right? So these are the very simple steps you're going to follow to start your email list. First of all, you're going to feed your digital product to AI or just the key details, all right? Share what you feel comfortable sharing, and it doesn't matter whether you open a Claude chat or whether you open a ChatGPT chat, whichever one that you use, just type this prompt that you see on the screen right now, along with some details about your digital product. What this will do is it will help you come up with what we call a lead magnet. It's also called a freebie, but all it is a free resource that you offer your audience in return for their email address. It's meant to give them a very quick win. It has to be related to your digital product, but this is what's going to get the right type of audience on your email list, and it's a very transparent exchange. They put their email in, you give them something valuable for free to get them onto your list. Now, valuable is important. It can't just be any old tat, right? A lot of people can get a lot of stuff from AI, so it needs to be really helpful. And in fact, if you want to see something like this in action, you can probably just go into the description bar because I do have some free email templates for you to get started with, right? They're completely free. But what do you think you have to do? Pop your email in, okay? Because that is a lead magnet. And so if you want that free resource, which is really freaking good, by the way, click the link below, get the resource, get on my list, and then you'll also be able to see the types of emails that I send firsthand, okay? And so much of business is just learning from what others do without copying, okay? So when you put that prompt in, you're going to get back a bunch of easy to create lead magnet ideas, okay? Now, this only works if you choose the right lead magnet. And I've got a framework for you that you can steal. This is what every single one of my money-making lead magnets do, okay? I call it the GLOW framework. First of all, it has to be goal-specific. It has to solve one very specific problem for your exact person, okay? Next, it has to be linked to your paid product. Your paid product needs to be the natural next steps so you actually attract people into your world that want to buy from you. Now, it has to take you no more than 1 hour to build. A lot of these that you can do with AI, a PDF, or a simple mini tool, but my rule is never spend more than an hour on it because our time is valuable. And lastly, it has to be worth paying for. People need to think, wow, I would have paid for this if I didn't get it for free, okay? So if you get that right, if you tick off every box, you're going to get a freebie that actually people want and is going to pull in the right type of people to your email list. Not just freebie seekers, but people that actually want to buy from you because your digital product can help them. Now, once you've created your lead magnet, you need a very simple web page. This is the page that your audience are going to come to, put in their email address and download it, okay? And usually this is also connected to your email provider so that afterwards you can send them automated emails which are going to convert them into sales. Now, I really recommend Omnisend, and I like them because they have almost the same features as a lot of the way more expensive providers, but at a far more reasonable price point. It's super powerful. It has tons of features. And if you already have an email provider, you can actually contact the team about migration options, which makes it really seamless to use. Now, let me show you a quick example of how I use Omnisend. If you click the link below, you're going to get all the details. Now, to create your sign up page, you're going to go straight to the form section. I like to just use one of the templates because it's quick and easy. You can just customize it by dragging and dropping your own image of your own lead magnet and add simple text, just explaining what it is and why people should download it. Now, after that, you want to check out the automation section because you can connect this freebie to automated emails. That means as soon as someone downloads your email, you can set it up to send a sequence of emails straight away automatically, which helps convert the right people from your freebie into buying your paid digital products. Now, if you want to see a more in-depth video of the exact type of emails I send as soon as someone downloads my freebie, because I have an automation that I share with you guys, you can watch this video here next and it shows all the details. Now, I'm going to also leave a link to Omnisend below. I do have a discount code which will hook you up with additional savings. But what I love about them is you can sign up and start for free if you just want to test it out and see what it's all about, and you don't even need to add your credit card. So that's really handy. Check out the link for Omnisend below, and I'll leave my discount code so that you can save on any paid plans if you do decide to sign up. Okay, so now you've got your lead magnet, you've created a page that people can actually join your list. Let's talk about the 3 easy, boring emails that you're going to start sending to convert that list into sales. Now, these are so simple. You're going to be shocked when you see them, but actually know that there's a lot of strategy behind these emails. And I call it the 3 Ps. Number 1, pain. You need to be able to relate to an overwhelming pain point. Okay, so you just need to name the exact thing that they are stuck on. What is the thing that they find most difficult, and how can you explain how your product helps them overcome that? Okay, so this is one of the emails. I send this type of email every single week, and every single week it converts. Now, the second type of email that you want to send is your proof. And if you can add in personal story with it, chef's kiss. Okay, what you want to show is a real result, either yours or a client. Show how you use your digital product, or you used the process, the framework, the knowledge that you share within your digital product to overcome a problem, and just share proof points, whatever they may be. Now, the third type of email is what we call a promise email. Now, I like to frame this usually as like $1 million questions. These are the questions that your audience can't stop thinking about in their head. You know, they might have asked AI, they might have Googled it, but what they really want is a personal perspective. For example, the question that I get all the time is, how long would it take me to make money from digital products? And so that is something that I love to address. That's a question that does really, really well. But there's tons of different questions that you can use for your niche and for your audience. And if you're like, Rochelle, actually, I want to know the answer to that question. How long is it going to take me? And I always say, no one can predict it, right? It depends on your pace. It depends on how hard you work. It depends on how much commitment. I can never sit here and say it's going to take you a month, 3 months, 6 months. But what I can say is it took me 2 years. It took me 2 years of going at this and understanding all of the different elements to actually start making good money from digital products. Not my first sale, but good money. Here's the thing though, you've got so many great YouTubers, you've got so much resources, you've got AI. I guess maybe you're a little bit overwhelmed with the amount of information that you've got. So my big piece of advice, if you want to be as successful at this as soon as possible, is just to pick one strategy. try to follow one person or maybe one or two mentors that have a similar strategy, because there are so many ways to make this successful. There isn't just one way to make money with digital products. And that should actually be a comfort to you, because you can think, okay, it kind of doesn't matter what route I take, as long as I just stick at it the longest, okay? If you give up, it doesn't matter what strategy you choose. You're still not going to work because you just haven't stayed in it long enough. So pick one type of strategy, do the reps, work hard, and you'll get there as fast as possible. That's really the honest feedback I can give you. Hey, post-edit Rochelle, coming to you. I thought it'd be so much better if I actually showed you the type of emails, like showed you so you can see, right? So this is the personal story meets proof one that I spoke about. Here's the exact email. So you can see here, I tell a story. So I'd say where I was before I started implementing my strategies, right? So I say, like, a few months ago, I hit a wall, I was making money, but it wasn't consistent enough to leave my 9 to 5, right? So you paint the picture of where you were before. Then I talk about feeling stuck, feeling tired. And then I introduced a solution, which was my digital product, okay? So this is the digital product that helped give me really clear strategies, and just, help me to really identify what was the right strategy for me. And so this email did super, super well. I was actually selling into a wait list. I launched my product the very next day. I'll leave a link to the product below. It's one of my best selling products. It's an AI tool that just helps you get such clarity on exactly what steps that you need to take to launch and make money from your digital product. So I send a version of this type of email very often, and it's always painting the picture of where I was before, what the issue was, how I was struggling, what the solution was that I came up with, and then how things got better afterwards, okay? And so you can take that same framework for your digital products too. So now the second one that I want to show you is the relate to an overwhelming pain point here. So again, this email, I send various versions of it, but it's always the same structure, okay? So I always talk about a pain point. This was like this is me talking about how overwhelmed I was, right? And me lacking discipline. So that was my pain point. So I talked about, and this is probably one of the longest emails I will send. It was really storytelling, and it even had a picture at the end, really storytelling. But I talked about the fact that I just wasn't being disciplined. I likened it to my diet at the time. But this is a story that could transcend anything, right? I knew what I should be doing, yet I decided to do something else because I wasn't disciplined. And like, this is what this is what the email is all about, right? Just painting that picture. This works really, really well. So think about an overwhelming pain point that you might be having now, but that your audience might also be experiencing, and then how you can help resolve it with your product. And after this really, really long email, you can see the actual pitch that I did at the end was inside DMM. So I was selling my community, a community that helps you stay disciplined, helps you stay focused, okay? This did really, really well. And I send versions of this email, not the same thing, but just talking about other pain points that I find overwhelming, and then how I'm able to get to a solution on the other side, okay? And the last type of email that I want to show you an example of here is the $1 million question. Now, I talked about it in the video, and I said, how long does it take to make money? So this was the question I was addressing, but it can be any question in your niche that people are thinking to themselves, and they might not even express it. It may not be something they even talk about out loud, but they're thinking it because you know your audience really well, and you was in that same place. And so when I first started digital products, even when I had my Etsy store for 6 months that wasn't making any sales, all I could think about was like, how much longer is this going to take? When am I going to start to see the money? When is this going to start to pay off, right? And so I addressed this question, which is a really hard question to address. And I just talked about it, right? I talked about it. I was really, really honest. And I didn't give any fluff. I didn't give any I didn't sell any dreams. I just kept it real. And then you see in the middle, I actually sold, this is one of my older products, my digital product launch pack. Okay. And this email done really, really well as well. So what you do is you find emails that work well, and then you change the angle, change the story, but you always keep the structure. So I wanted to add that in, and now back to the video. And so with that in mind, went off script there, but with that in mind, you now know exactly what type of emails I send to make sales. And I send these emails on repeat, just different ways of saying it, different angles, okay? But this only works if you actually take action, if you actually go out and create a lead magnet that follows my Go framework, if you go out and actually create a page that people can download it, like I showed you with Omnisend. And also you need people to get to that page. You need traffic. You need people to actually be aware of this lead magnet so that they can download it, get on your list, and you can start your email marketing from there. Now, I use Pinterest to drive a lot of traffic to my lead magnets. I have tried TikTok. I still am trying Instagram. I try YouTube, and YouTube is great too. But if you're starting out and you don't want to show your face, you don't want to record videos, Pinterest is a great way to do it. And so I highly recommend, if you haven't watched it yet, check out my very popular Pinterest training that will show you exactly how to create the pins that will bring in traffic to your lead magnet. And I'll see you in the next video.